Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What in the actual F? What in the F?
Powers more small businesses than anyone else. Get started with fast speeds and advanced security for $49 a month for 12 months for a 2-year contract. Plus, $100 prepaid card with qualifying gig bundle. Don't wait. Call to switch today. In 560.
Dropped something. Lost the fridge.
The fuck?
You got me so wild. How can I ever deny?
Time, and on top of that there was also unpredictability when the water arrived.
At the time, Cyrus was desperate for a new business idea. Like many entrepreneurs, she knew this meant
drive. You're not driving. You're going 15 miles an hour.
I'm 20 miles an hour.
Now she don't know what lane she's in. Look at her. Let her go in the left. Go in the opposite. Jesus, goodness gracious sakes. What is wrong with these people? She shouldn't be driving.
No.
She's going to the Palestinian. Now she drives. Good job. This one she can't. Now she drives.
An optimal testosterone level can change your whole life, and it starts with knowing your T level. Take that first step and book your free testosterone test, free exam, and free consultation and kickstart your treatment with a free supply of ED medication this month only. Call Revive Men's Health Seattle at 206-529-1111.
Oh shit, what the fuck?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Seriously? Okay. My lord. Really? W60PNF.
And be ripping stuff out of the ground, and then screwing it up and not getting them because I was a newbie. It really hooked me. But yeah, it's completely. Sure. At least it's the best way that I learned.
And the thing that I learned when we went out there was like it's such a bigger scale.
Por su seguridad, abróchense los cinturones de...
右方向です。
Es posible que tengamos que reducir la velocidad o detenernos repentinamente debido a la posición de la carretera.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.